Hello, my dear boys and girls. I hope you had a lovely time in this summer vacation, but it is time to get to school now. And I'm sure you're all looking forward to meeting all your friends. Now, I'm a doctor and also a mother. So, there are a few things I want to tell you just to keep you healthy and safe during these monsoons. I'm sure you love the monsoons, but you know who else does? Bacteria, and they grow everywhere. So you have to be especially careful with your hygiene practices when you're in school and even when you're playing outside. So, what should you do? First, always wash your hands with soap and water before the lunch break and eating your tiffin or eating anything at all. Also, make sure to wash your hands after you've finished your meal. Okay, and use soap and water both. Now, what do you do once you've played outside? I want you to have all the fun you can in the water, even splashing around. But do not touch your face again and again with those dirty hands. Wash your hands and feet when you come back home before doing anything else. Okay? Have fun, but do not eat street food. Do not eat food which is not covered, and definitely do not eat fresh fruits and vegetables which have not been washed thoroughly before consuming them. Okay? Second thing that I want you to keep in mind apart from hygiene practices, use raincoats, umbrellas, or proper shoes when you're playing. Always carry an extra pair of socks because if your feet get too wet, it can lead to various infections. Third, you know who else loves the monsoons apart from you and bacteria? Mosquitoes. And this is also the season for malaria and dengue. So what do you need to keep yourself protected from that? Wear mosquito repellents. You can have all those herbal mosquito repellents with you, and make sure that there is no stagnant water in or around your house. And fourth, last but not the least, do not walk in stagnant water or where water logging has occurred, as it can lead to various infections but also accidents. And the accident that you all need to be careful about is also the electrical accidents, because there can be wires which are loose and hanging around, which can lead to certain shocks and things like that. Okay, so just keep these 4 to 5 points in mind, and I'm sure both your doctors and your parents can all be very tension free. Have a great next session in school. Thank you.